How to make a full circle skirt? Yes, everybody wants to make a perfect skirt, and today we are gonna make that. Now subscribe to my channel. And the materials that we need are fitted skirt, frock of the kid, and then the main fabric of your choice, lining fabric. Let's get started now. So now we are measuring the waist, which is 12.5 inches. Now I'm gonna fold the fabric right sides together, which will be inside, then folding again. Now folding into the half of the fabric length. So what was happening here, that this was a sari, so there are butterflies. If we are folding it half, then it will gonna change the direction of the butterflies. So we are cutting it, then putting at the same direction of the butterflies, then putting the sides which are opening together and which are closed together. Now we have the layers of fabric. Now marking the waistline of the skirt. This is the fun part here. So we have put this pin over here, and now as you can see that we are marking here, you can take help from your friend or anybody nearby you, so they can help you in this. So darker the marks that you are making, then repeat the same thing for the hemline of the skirt. So here you do not need to worry about the waistline, as we have taken the 7 inches, and because we are going to cinch it together after gathering at the waistline. Now I am cutting it with the seam allowance of 1 to 2 inches, and at the hemline you can add seam allowances. Now take a panel or two of the main fabric, then cut or mark the lining fabric. As you can see, we got all the fabrics like lining fabric and main fabric of the skirt to make. Now we are going to stitch them together. The fullness of the full circle skirt is going to be so amazing because we have so many panels for the skirt to be made. We are going to stitch them together from the sides and leaving one opening. You can pin up the panels together as we are doing without pinning up, so it will be easy for you if you pin up. Now we are finishing the hemline of this skirt. As we did not have any fabric left for the seam allowance, so we are just taking a little bit amount of fabric and then folding it and stitching. Now moving on to next part of the skirt, as we have so big waistline, so we are going to cinch it down with the gathering. So we have now basting stitch. Basting stitch is this stitch which has the longer stitch length. If you need the elaborative video on gathers, you can comment down below, or I have also made a video, so you can check this out over here. Now cut a long and broad piece of the belt for the skirt and then start stitching it from the right side. So to attach the belt over the stitch line of the gathers, you need to cover that up. So make sure the edge of the belt is meeting that line and you are attaching it over that line. Now cut the extra seam allowance that is there, so the bulkiness would be removed from here. Now attach the other part of the belt inside. Make sure to leave an opening so that we can put the elastic through that. Here comes the clean look of both sides. So skirt is ready with the clean belt. Thank you to my friend who did it. So our opening is there left so that we can insert the elastic. Now with the help of safety pin, we are gonna put the elastic into the belt. Now make sure to spread the elastic evenly and stitch both the ends of the elastic together, and then start stitching the opening that was left. With this final step, the stitching of a skirt has been completed. Now, are you ready for the final look? This is the final look of the Kiara's birthday present. She loved it so much. If you liked the video, like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and you can watch my other videos. See you again in the next video.